Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see a small awareness video how an Tata kit of 3500 watts is installed at the location. Here you can see here I am at the site to record the video. So here you can see the location at Noidpeta site, and this is an 2 kilowatt free solar plants distributed for SCST, and here you can see the structure has been moved to the floor, and all the panels, and these panels are Tata 580 watts of monoperkin technology, and all the panels are moved on to the structure. Okay, and all the structure one by one we have to connect in series connection. Here you can see here the technicians are working excellently in assembling the panels. After assembling the panels in series connection, we have to do the remaining work at the ground floor. So now all the 6 panels has been assembled one by one. Okay, here you can see here this is the complete structure after the installation of the panels at the location. So, and this is, you can see the anchoring of the bolts has all been completed, and you can see here the labeling as a Tata Power, and this is a panel 1. The output of this panel is connected to the input of the second panel. The output of the second panel is connected to the third panel input. The output, as you can see here, this is the output of the third panel is connected to the input of the fourth panel. So this is the fourth panel. The output of the fourth panel is connected to the fifth panel. The output of the fifth panel is connected to the sixth panel, and here you can see here the MC4 connectors, and this is the last panel what we are observing. And from here we are going to run the cable to the DC box. Okay, and the lightning arrestor is also separate. You can see here the lightning arrestor is made separate, as well as the DC cabling is going to the ground floor to give the connections. Here you can see here this is the diagram of AC box, DC box, and the good V inverter, and this is nothing but the AC output, which is nothing but the inverter output connections we have to connect to this probe. Okay, and here you can see we are giving the connections for this smart meter itself, and this is called DC distribution box. The output of the DC distribution box we are going to connect to the input of the inverter, and here you can see here this is 100% from the Tata brand, and this inverter supplied in the set is would be, which is of 3300 watt rated, and output of this inverter is connected to the AC distribution box, which is shown in the video, and output of this DC box is connected to the contractor, where you can see the contractor which is there in black colored one. This black colored one is an contractor to protect our system from islanding mode. Hope this video is useful to you, which will help you in installing an inverter, and output of this we are going to connect to the output of the meter. Thank you for watching.